Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Srikanth Reddy. In this video, we'll try to understand what FinOps teams actually do. So now that we know why the cloud bill hurts, let's talk about what FinOps teams actually do to control it. At the core, FinOps is a mix of cost awareness, cross-team collaboration, and smart decision making. These teams exist because cloud bills can be confusing, unpredictable, and expensive. A good FinOps team brings clarity and control. They make cloud spending visible, connect engineers with finance and business teams, and help everyone to move faster but with cost in mind. Let's break that down into simple everyday tasks. First, they look at the cloud bills, not just the total number, but the breakdown. What are we paying for and why? Then they set the budgets, work with the teams to plan ahead so cloud usage aligns with the business goals. They also right-size the resources, removing the waste like oversized servers or unused machines. They automate the cost reports, making sure teams get regular updates. So cost awareness becomes part of daily work, not an afterthought. And finally, they work with the teams. The goal is to not stop the innovation, it's to support it by making it more efficient. Uh, FinOps teams not just generate reports, they help teams. FinOps is just not, it's not about just spreadsheets or dashboards. These teams actually join product and engineering discussions in real time. They bring cost data to the table while discussions are being made. In that way, we did not have any surprises for the money spent later. And also, they recommend saving opportunities without slowing the teams down. Here, the FinOps team's mindset is to say no. Is it to ask the right questions? Is it the best way to do it or not? This small shift helps to stay agile while being cost conscious. Let's look at the few examples of the kind of issues FinOps can catch. A test server that's being run 24 by 7 and no one is using it. It's kind of an idle resource, right? It has to be cleaned up. And similarly, a backup that's been sitting idle but costs $5,000 a month. If it is not required, it has to be deleted. Or a team buying a biggest, most expensive server just in case they need it. This is unnecessary, right? Unnecessary spend. It's kind of over provisioning. These things happen more often than you think. So FinOps team helps them to spot them early, fix them fast, and make sure this doesn't happen again. So here is what to remember. FinOps teams help you to understand and manage your cloud costs. They act as a bridge connecting tech, finance, and business. They bring visibility and accountability and turn insights into action. Their work doesn't just reduce waste, it helps company grow smarter and more efficiently. In the next video, I'll show you how to get started with FinOps even if you're new to it. Thanks for watching. See you there.